Hi, have you read the user manual for the mind? Hi and welcome. My name is Soumya and you're watching Soulful Success. I'm a mindfulness and a self love trainer and a coach and a consultant also. I help people in overcoming different kinds of challenges in their lives and also help in them becoming their best versions. In this video, I'm going to share a bit about the mind and why you need to know about your mind, why it is so important. What is the user manual of the mind? We all buy different kinds of appliances for our home, like AC, TV, or fridge, washing machine, etc. Right? And when we buy them, we get a user manual with all those appliances. Okay, and for for any kind of layman, and if they want to know the features or how it works, what we have to do, what are the do's and don'ts, what we should do, what we should not do, everything is written in that user manual, right? So that is fine, but what about our mind? Where is the user manual of the mind? How our mind works, what we have to do, what we should not do, how it functions, and how we have become the servant of the mind instead of being the master of our mind, and what we can do to overcome all these things. Where are we learning? From the age of 3 we are put in a school, we go to school, kindergarten, LKG, UKG, whatever. We learn ABCD, 1 to 3 numbers, alphabets, etc. And then slowly we move on to the next grade, standard 1, 2, 3, so on, and then we go to college. All that is fine. That is, we learn all those things for survival, for skills, for knowledge, finally to get a job or start our own business or whatever. That is the survival part. That is nothing but literacy. But what about those skills which are much more important? Don't we need to learn the skills of our mind, how it functions? When life throws different kinds of challenges, how we have to tackle them, how we can manage without getting into depression, without, getting overwhelmed, without getting anxious, peacefully, calm, staying happy, and sail through life smoothly. So, it is so very important for us to learn how the mind functions and how you can manage your mind, how you can take care of your mind. And you should become the master of the mind, not the mind becoming your master, which is happening now. Why people are getting depressed or anxious or always tensed and worried and all that? Because they don't know how to manage their mind, because they don't know when life throws challenges or some kind of issue, how we can go about it instead of, getting into the depression, sad, worried, tensed, crying, and many people taking their own lives. That is why learning the skill to manage your mind is very, very important. And I personally have a very strong opinion on this, that every child from the age of 3, when they are put into school to learn the alphabets and the numbers, this skill should also be parallelly taught to them, so that going forward in life, come what may, they will always be ready for anything, and they'll be able to take it happily and peacefully. They can live. That is why it is very important, and this skill is called mindfulness. It is an amazing, powerful, magical, incredible, miraculous skill. the number of words I use, the adjectives for this is very less, because I have learned this skill and I have mastered my life and myself, and I'm so happy for that. And I would love to teach this to as many people on this planet. And that is why there is a good news for you here. On October 25th, Sunday morning, 11 a.m. IST, I'm going to conduct a mindfulness masterclass called Master Yourself, Master Your Life, where I'll be sharing 3 secrets with you. Number one, how to be at peace no matter whatever is going on in your life. Number two, heal all your past and present mental, emotional, and physical pains also. Any kind of suffering, trauma, whichever you're going through, or some kind of mental, emotional wounds you had in your past, how to heal them. And number three, how to manifest your desires from a place of calm and stillness. These are the 3 secrets which I'm going to share with you in the masterclass. I personally invite you to the masterclass. I would love to see you there. Happy and excited for that. And it will be so much fun. You'll get to learn so many things. And I, I'll really look forward to see you there. And the link for that is given here in the description box. Do click the link and join Sunday, 11 a.m., 25th October. Thank you so much. See you in another video soon. Bye.